Hello everyone, welcome back to another one. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at CSX train L302 passing westbound through Howell, Michigan. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button below. It's been a minute since we've seen these covered gondolas on the CSX Plymouth sub, so when they roll through, it's always a nice sight to see. Let's get a quick span of them passing through. And with that, it will be the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button below. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you all in the next one.